Merrick Brian Garland is an American attorney and jurist serving as the 86th United States Attorney General since March 2021. He served as a United States Circuit Judge of the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit from 1997 to 2021. A native of the Chicago area, Garland attended Harvard University for his undergraduate and legal education. After serving as a law clerk to Judge Henry J. Friendly of the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit and Justice William J. Brennan Jr. of the Supreme Court of the United States, he practiced corporate litigation at Arnold & Porter and worked as a federal prosecutor in the United States Department of Justice, where he played a leading role in the investigation and prosecution of the Oklahoma City bombers. President Barack Obama, a Democrat, nominated Garland to serve as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court in March 2016 to fill the vacancy created by the death of Antonin Scalia. However, the Republican Senate majority refused to hold a hearing or vote on his nomination. The unprecedented refusal of a Senate majority to consider the nomination was highly controversial. Garland's nomination lasted 293 days, and it expired on January 3, 2017. At the end of the 114th Congress. Eventually, the seat for which Garland was nominated was filled by Neil Gorsuch, who was appointed by President Donald Trump, a Republican, and Garland remained a circuit court judge. In January 2021, Garland was nominated for the position of Attorney General by President Joe Biden. He was confirmed by the Senate in a 70-30 vote on March 10, 2021. And was sworn in the next day. Merrick Brian Garland was born on November 13, 1952, in Chicago. He grew up in the northern Chicago suburb of Lincolnwood. His mother Shirley was a director of volunteer services at Chicago's Council for Jewish Elderly. His father, Cyril Garland, headed Garland Advertising, a small business run out of the family home. Garland was raised in conservative Judaism, the family name having been changed from Garfinkel several generations prior. His grandparents left the Pale of Settlement within the Russian Empire in the early 20th century, fleeing anti-Semitic pogroms and seeking a better life for their children in the United States. He is a second cousin of six-term Iowa Governor Terry Branstad. Garland attended Niles West High School in Skokie, Illinois, where he was president of the student council, acted in theatrical productions, and was a member of the debate team. He graduated in 1970 as the class valedictorian. Garland was also a presidential scholar and National Merit Scholar. After high school, Garland went to Harvard University, where he majored in social studies. He initially wanted to become a physician, but quickly decided to become a lawyer instead. Garland allied himself with his future boss, Jamie Gorelick, when he was elected the only freshman member of a campus-wide committee on which Gorelick also served. During his college summers, Garland volunteered as a speechwriter to Congressman Abner J. Mikva. After President Jimmy Carter appointed Mikva to the D.C. Circuit, Mikva would rely on Garland when selecting clerks. At Harvard, Garland wrote news articles and theater reviews for the Harvard Crimson and worked as a Quincy House tutor. Garland wrote his 235-page honors thesis on industrial mergers in Britain in the 1960s. Garland graduated from Harvard in 1974 as class valedictorian with an A.B. summa cum laude and was elected to Phi Beta Kappa. Garland then attended Harvard Law School. During law school, Garland was a member of the Harvard Law Review. He ran for the presidency of the Law Review during his third year, but lost to Susan S. Strick, and served as an articles editor instead. As an articles editor, Garland assigned himself to edit a submission by U.S. Supreme Court Justice William Brennan on the topic of the role of state constitutions in safeguarding individual rights. This correspondence with Brennan later contributed to his winning a clerkship with the justice. Garland graduated from Harvard Law in 1977 with a Juris Doctor magna cum laude. After graduating from law school, Garland spent 2 years as a judicial law clerk, first for Judge Henry J. Friendly of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit from 1977 to 1978 and then for Justice William Brennan at the U.S. Supreme Court from 1978 to 1979. Garland then served as a special assistant to Attorney General Benjamin Civiletti from 1979 to 1981. After the Carter administration ended in 1981, Garland entered private practice at the law firm Arnold & Porter. Garland mostly practiced corporate litigation and was made a partner in 1985 in motor vehicles manufacturers Usn v. State Farm Mutual Automobile Insurance Co. Garland acted as counsel to an insurance company suing to reinstate an unpopular automatic seat belt mandate. After winning the case in both the District of Columbia Circuit Court